The saying goes, one man's trash is another man's treasure. I happened to find this beautiful item on Facebook Marketplace for $30. There was no way I was going to allow this to pass me by. And what's funny is I was looking for a chair like this for a client who wanted to put it in her bedroom. So yes, this was an amazing find. These chairs run between $300 to $900 and sometimes more, so finding it for $30 was truly a score. I purchased it, I brought it home, I cleaned it from top to bottom, stripped all of the old fabric away, put 4 coats of bare matte paint, and guys, it turned out amazing. Now don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much, and you have a blessed, wonderful, and prosperous day. Bye-bye now.